Food's ready.
Yay! Oh, I love this. Thank you, babe.
Is it good?
Oh, wait.
Mamo, is it good?
It's so good.
Mama? Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Let's make my husband's favorite dish, biscuits and gravy. Here are the ingredients for making biscuits and gravy. To make buttermilk substitute, use 1 cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Let it sit for 10 minutes until milk curds are formed. In a food processor, place 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of cold butter. Cover and pulse to combine until coarse crumbs are formed. Transfer the dry mixture into a stand mixer. Make a well in the middle. Pour the buttermilk substitute. Using a dough hook, begin mixing at a medium speed. Make sure to push the mixture to the center. Increase the speed to medium-high until dough is formed. If the dough is still sticky, sprinkle a little bit more flour until it is no longer sticky to the touch. Place the dough onto a floured surface. Lightly knead and flatten the dough at 1/4 thick inch. Equally fold the dough to the middle until square-shaped is formed, then flip it over. Using a round cup or drinking glass, firmly push down to cut the dough and slowly pull it up. Do not twist and pull as this will seal the dough, preventing it to rise completely while in the oven. Combine the leftover scraps to cut more biscuits, but you may do this no more than 1 to 2 times only. Place the biscuits on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. When done, brush the top of the biscuits with melted butter while warm. To make the gravy, brown the sausage over medium-high heat in a warmed skillet. Pour 1 can of evaporated milk. Add 1/3 cup of flour. Add 1 cup of water. Lower the heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, and stir occasionally to prevent it from burning. When sauce is thick to your desired consistency, season with ground thyme, ground black pepper, and seasoned salt. Stir to combine. Simmer for 2 more minutes, then turn the stove off. Here is my version of biscuits and gravy. Cut the biscuits in half and generously pour the sausage gravy. Enjoy!
No, I don't want to be on film.
Cleaning
This
crew!
place looks like a bomb now.
You need to do a good job! Huh, Mamo? Even Mama says cleaning girl. Look at that.
Look at this mess.
Clean the stove.
Look, Mamu doesn't even want to be here.